ma'am. Recording is starting.
Ma'am, your mic is mute.
Exercise chapter number 2. First question is answer the following questions. What do you know about our earth? Write a short note. So where we will go? We will go to the introduction part. On that it is mentioned about our earth. Yes. So
Yes,
from here, the most important point is that only the Earth among all the members of the solar family has got the suitable temperature, water and air to sustain life. You have to start with here. One of the members of the solar family is our Earth also. Second, I have sent you notes, but for explanation I am giving you just now. Okay? The most important point is that only the Earth among all the members of the solar family got the suitable climate, temperature, water and air to sustain living beings. So on the Earth we are having suitable temperature, climate and all the things. Yes? Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Ye- Yes. After that, you have to write it this collision. This way, the force field came into existence. Okay. First, the sun was attached. After the collision, the part of the sun which was detached with the earth. After the collision with earth, then during the time of origin, it was in the form of fireball. Then it cools down slowly. Then it was transformed into liquid and then to solid and then to many elements in the gaseous form. That's why this is called this way the existence of the earth came. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Second question. How much time was taken by the earth to reach its present from after being detached from the sun? Why? How much time it was taken? How much time it was taken? How much time it took? Tell me first. તમારે છે ને આ છોકરાઓને ગિફ્ટ આપવાની છે જે રેન્કર હોય છે કરી શકતા હોય જેની How much time it took? જેની તેવડ ન હોય લેવાની અને જે રેન્કર હોય Anyone? બાયોલોજી બહુ સરસ છે આ કેમિસ્ટ્રી પણ એવા લોકોને દેજો કે જે નીડી છે પછી આ જુઓ તમે તમે 7 8 માં ભલે મહિના પછી આપો તમને અમુક તમારા ક્લાસની ગર્લ્સ લેતા હોય ફોલો લેતા હોય જસ્ટ તમને આમ આઈડિયા આવી જાય અને જે it took
Yes, ma'am.
after the collision it took millions of years. Okay. એટલે જ હું બોલી બધું કોણ બોલ્યું હું એટલે જ બોલી કે અમને બધાને ખબર પડે છે તમે એટલે જ બધાને એક જ નહીં નહીં કોઈ ન ચાલે બે ની ચાર ટીચર સંસ્કૃતમાં રૂઢિગત
મેમ
અને
તમારા
ગુજરાત તો
માઇકમાંથી
આપણી પાસે
રચિતા
ભણી
મેમની અવાજ આવે છે.
Shut your mouth. How are the spheres of Earth interrelated? How are the spheres of Earth interrelated? So you have to write it this full. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, wait, beta. Start from here. The part of sun. Start. The part of
Like the part of sun which has been detached from the sun after the collision with Earth. At the time of its origin, it was in a form of fireball. This fireball started to cool down slowly. Many elements of the earth got transformed into liquid and further into solid form. During this process, the elements which got transferred into solid are known as lithospheres. The elements which got transferred into liquid are known as hydrospheres. The elements which transferred into gases came to be known as atmosphere. Above all, the living world, which developed due to water and air, came to be known as biosphere. In this way, the four spheres came into existence of Earth
Got it?
on Earth.
Hmm. So this way it came into the existence. How? So first time when the earth was detached with whom? With the sun. Then it was in the form of fireball. Then it started cooling down into the liquid form. That's why it is hydrosphere. Solid form, that is lithosphere. Elements into the gases is atmosphere, and all where all the life is possible, where plants and animals both live, that is biosphere. So these were the four spheres came into the existence. Got it?
Yes,
Okay, so first question, who will tell me first? What do you know about our earth? Write a short note. So you have to write from here. You can see the star from the sun too has a family. First paragraph, third line. Start. Girls, girls. From the sun too has a family. From there you started.
the sun too has a family which is known as the solar. Our Earth is the symbol of family. Most important point is that only the Earth among all the members of the solar family has got the suitable temperature, water and air which is needed for the living being.
Then this also generally it is believed.
Generally, it is believed that the part of sun has been detached from the sun after the collision with Earth. At the time of its origin, it was in the form of fireball.
Got it? So this much you have to write it. Okay, point wise. Next. How much time was taken by the Earth to reach its present form after being detached from the Sun? Why? So this you have to start it. From here you have to start. It
Generally,
is
it is
built.
believed
Start.
that the sun, the sun at the time of its origin of fireball. This fireball started to cool down. Many elements of the earth got transformed from into liquid and further into solid form. During this process, the elements which got transformed into solid are known as the lithosphere. The elements which got transformed into liquid are known as the elements which transform gases come to be known as atmosphere. For the living world which developed due to land, water and air came to be known as biosphere. In this way, the four spheres came into
This line
existence.
you don't have to write. Got it?
Yes,
Third, the we
ma'am.
have done.
Our lecture करवा.
Filling the blanks. Mute your mic. There are totally dash spheres on the earth.
Four.
Whose lithosphere covers approximately dash percent of the surface of the earth.
29%.
The most
Ma'am.
prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is. Whose mic is unmute?
मैम क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछू आंसर शिफा.
Lakhani Shifa, how much time I have to tell you to mute your mic?
मैम
Shifa
क्वेश्चन कॉपी
Lakhani.
करिए डिलीट करूँ.
Shifa Lakhani,
मैम.
mute your mic. Every day you are making this mistake. Next, the most prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is.
मैग्मा.
Who is telling magma? Who is telling, beta?
मैम थर्ड चैप्टर करवाया.
Shifa, mute your mic.
मैम
Shifa,
क्वेश्चन
mute your
पूछना है
mic.
मैम.
You can't see the screen. Second chapter is going on. Wait per beta. Next. Hydrosphere made of water make up dash percent on of the surface of the earth.
71%.
Dash gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun.
Ozone gas.
Very good. So first FB who will tell? First FB. There are total dash spheres on the earth.
4.
Lithosphere covers approximately dash percent of the surface of the earth.
29%.
Third, the most prominent liquid component in the atmosphere is. Tell me fast. Tell me just now only. Fourth, hydrosphere made of water makes up dash percent of the surface of the earth.
71%.
No. See over here. How many percentage? Tell me. See, how many percentage? See, you can see it. 71% girls. Next. Dash gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Dash gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Modesa Nayani. Misbah. Misbah. Ozone gas. Which gas? Next,
Lot of
girls. Next, give the meaning of the following terms. Lithosphere. Girls. Hello. Hello. Sakina. Give the meaning of the following terms. Lithosphere. See here, it is given. Litho means, first you have to write the definition this way. The sun after the collision, which is the earth, was in the form of fireball, and it's cooled down and converted into the solid form. Which form it was converted into solid form? It is called lithosphere. Litho means rocks or soil, and sphere means layer. Got it?
yes,
Girls. Next is hydrosphere. So this also you have to write it this way only. The sun, which was after the collision, the is Earth was in the form of fireball, and then it was transformed into liquid form. That's why it is called hydrosphere. Hydro means water, and sphere means layer. Got it? Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Next, third one is atmosphere. Third is atmosphere. Same way again you have to write it. The earth, which was in the form of the sun, after the collision it was earth, was detached with the sun. After the collision it was in the form of fireball, and then after it converted, the elements were converted into the gaseous form. That why it was known as atmosphere. Atmo means elements which are in the form of gases, sphere means layer. Got it?
Yes,
Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Next, biosphere. Biosphere means the living world, which was developed due to land, water, and air, and then it came into the existence. That's why it is known as biosphere. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is pollution. Who will tell me pollution? Chalo. Anyone? The girls. I will send you notes. Then also you are not speaking. Girls. All are sleeping. Sakina, Misbah, Fatima, Aisha. Are you there in the lecture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Beta?
ma'am.
Then why you all are not answering? Have you seen the PDF of the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
From there you tell me what is pollution? Very last page of the PDF. Okay, then find out. Next, the Earth is a member of the solar family. True or false? The Earth is a member of the solar family. True or false?
True.
True. Very good. The proportion of water on the surface of the Earth is less than the proportion of the land. True or false? The proportion of water on the surface of the earth is less than the proportion of land. True or false? False. The proportion of water is more than to the land. Got it? The proportion of water is more than to the land. Yes or no?
False.
Yes. Next. The fresh water is a gift of hydrosphere.
True.
True. It is a gift of hydrosphere. What is the fresh water which we use for cooking, for drinking, and that things? Okay. Next, oxygen dilutes nitrogen. Oxygen dilutes nitrogen.
False.
False. Which gas dilutes nitrogen?
Carbon dioxide.
Hmm. Okay, got it. So first, the Earth is a member of solar family. True or false?
True.
True. Second, the proportion of water on the surface of the Earth is less than the proportion of land.
False.
False.
False. The fresh water is the gift of hydrosphere.
True.
True.
Oxygen dilutes nitrogen.
False.
False. False.
Very good. So over here we complete our exercise. Now from tomorrow we will be starting with chapter number 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will be asking you questions. What are oceans? Can you tell me what are oceans? Any girls? What are oceans? Owen Fatima. A huge amount of water on the surface of the earth are called oceans. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. What is lithosphere? What is lithosphere?
Means the rock. Can you repeat the question?
Sorry?
Lithosphere means
Litho means?
litho means rocks,
Yes. Sphere means?
layer,
Very good. What is atmosphere? What is atmosphere?
An element which are transformed into gases.
Form is known as
Atmosphere.
atmosphere. Next, what is biosphere? Tell me fast. Biosphere and hydrosphere. Tell me fast. What is biosphere and hydrosphere? Just now only we studied. Hydro means
An, ele- an
which is in liquid form in the form of water is called hydrosphere, and biosphere all the living beings uh, presented on the surface of the earth is called biosphere. Yes. In which two parts is the biosphere divided? In which two parts is the biosphere divided? Living things and
Living things and non-living things.
what is living things?
That is a life thing.
And what are non-living things? Examples of non-living things and living things. Examples of living and non-living things.
Living thing, humans.
Other animals and microorganisms. And non-living things. Then what you will be writing in the paper? Atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. These are the examples of non-living things. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Further, it is divided into which two things? Natural things and man-made things. What are natural things and what are man-made things? These are the questions of standard second. Oh, beta. What are
Things
natural
which are
things and
made by
man-made things?
man is man-made.
And what are natural things? The things which are made
Nature.
from nature is called natural things. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Hmm, how many percentage of the earth is covered by oceans? How many surface?
7.
90.